some Roman candles and some stupid stuff.
This. That's nothing. Color ball. What is this?
And Chloe, did you already do the 106 or whatever?
This
No.
is black cat. Let's watch another firework. See, take.
Give me a light, Kim.
Well,
Never mind.
you have to sit on your head.
Sit on your head. Is that what you said?
Yeah. I got your phone.
Some kind of show, and I think a commercial came over there. Oh, we were watching Transformers. Yeah. The girl Megan Fox was in there.
Take picture.
And she's like real pretty. All like that. Well, James was like, dang, Dad, she's really pretty, isn't she? I said, yeah, she is. He said, she's prettier than a pack of peppermints. Oh, you never heard that before? I laughed so hard. I was like, boy, you're crazy.
What is this? I'm recording you, you know. You're on YouTube. Okay, let's go. What? There's my mom lighting that up. Come on, Mom. Whoa! Let's do this one now. The kids haven't done one in a while. And I'm a kid. And he is one too. She is a teenager. And she is almost a teenager. I know. Wait. Okay. Say she's. She's bugger.
Peace out.
Say monkey.
Monkey.
There. Wait. One more.
I'm taping you.
Monkey.
Okay, there. No, I took pictures. Okay. She's farther away. The smoke's all in the way, so you probably can't see her.
James, don't put something in your mouth. You don't want to that plane. James, what's that plane? Or is that a helicopter? That's a helicopter.
It's gonna get hit! You're gonna get hit! Wow!
You're too low.
Oh no! Wait, that's up the trash. Well, these.
That was scary.
Not to
What
make.
else do we have?
Yeah, what else do we got, Addie?
We have color ball. Those are like for little kids.
Yeah. Little kids can do. And right now, this is Addie. We're recording a YouTube channel.
And we have a TNT. These blow up really like loud.
Rabbit. That's Baby James. He's the craziest one.
Hey, what are y'all doing?
We're looking.
Table's hot. Table's hot.
Keep your hands to yourself. Hot.
Yeah, it is. Hot table.
Wait, where is she? Oh. She's right there where that little dot is. Hurry! Wow!
Hooray!
Let's go at this.
This is going to be the season finale, guys.
Yeah.
Beasties.
And when we're going to do it, I'm going to put the camera right here so y'all can watch us.
Again. Watch out. Watch.
Where's she? There she is, right there. With that little gun.
I'm going to run when she runs.
Wow!
That was way too long. That was fantastic.
You get that picture?
Yep.
Speedy. Did you get that?
Uh-huh. let's go. Run. McKinley, look what I... What? Whoa. McKinley, show them what we've done. We did all of this, see? Wow. That person's fog. Show them all of it. Where? What? Aww. Well, let's put the camera right here. Okay, now look at Addie's shirt. If you have it online, she has a YouTube channel, and this is her own shirt. It says, "Peace, love, and dolphins key large." We can see that. I'll put it closer. And it has a dolphin, a peace sign, and a heart. Okay. Guys. We gotta run when she runs. Okay. Gotta run, but y'all can see. I'm trying for darker. Go, go, go. We gotta get ready.
So fast, and Mom had me in a headlock, and I couldn't get up. She took off like lightning.
That scared me.
Y'all get back, please. I'm going back to this thing.
Wait, the light's not on. Hold on, let me put the light on. Ah! Okay, we can say that. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Which one is this, Aunt Clara? I don't know. One more.
Bye.